Shit, boy, I ain't on that chopper when I fucking get my fist up. Fucking pregnant bitches on my front.